Do you know that the most authentic method of making a bread is using the sourdough starter method? Do you know the difference between pre-ferment and sourdough starter? Do you know the sourdough bread method is known as the most healthiest method to make your bread? Hi, my name is Sushil Setia. I am a food technologist and also founder of School of Bakery and Culinary Art. I am coming up with a 15 days sourdough bread mastery course where you'd be learning how to make your starter from the scratch. Not only this, you'll be also learning how to feed your starter, when to feed your starter, and what are the different ways to feed your starter. You'd be also learning how to make different type of starters like Poolish method, Biga method, or old dough method. Not only this, you'd also be learning to make different type of bread using different type of sourdough starter. This course is designed in a way that you become master of bread making after completion of the course. So we are also covering the regular bread method, which is using the yeast. So I'm waiting for you to join this session soon. Click the button below and join the session. We'll meet you soon. Thank you very much.